NFP forecast, guys. I'm generally seeing a weak dollar, so which means we're buying gold, buying Euro USD, buying Nasdaq, buying GBP USD. Silla, what are you saying?
I'm seeing a strong dollar, man. I'm selling that shit.
Yo,
I'm
Shakes.
selling that shit.
Shakes, 2 seconds. Are we selling or buying gold?
Buy.
Buy. Kelly, are we selling or buying gold, bro?
We're buying gold. We're buying gold. We're buying.
I'll sell alone, it's fine. If I die, I die alone.
Let's see. Let's see how it comes out. Oh, damn it. Oh. You. Okay. Yeah. NFP.
Chopper. I
Shit.
told you. Chopper.
Yo.
Chopper.
Ish.
Man,
Shit.
come on, man.
Yo, bro.
I
It's
can't teach you
literally killing my
everything,
account
Jed.
right now.
Come on, Jed.
Shut up, dog.
Yeah, I told you.
Shut up. The fuck?